Okay, so today we're opening a bottle that, well, promises the world. It's the Olavita Botox Serum.
Ah, yes, the Botox in a bottle one. I've seen the ads.
Exactly. They claim it erases wrinkles, tightens skin, boosts collagen, makes you look decades younger in just 2 weeks.
14 days. Wow, that's ambitious.
And get this, the company reportedly claims 98% of users see results. 98%.
That's an extraordinary number. And didn't they also claim something about reversing wrinkles?
Yeah, 60% reversal in 3 months, reportedly. So our mission today really is to unpack this. We're looking at an investigation video, trying to understand the gap between these huge marketing claims and, well, the reality.
Right, comparing the hype against the independent analysis and what actual customers are saying. So where do we start? The ingredients.
Let's do that. What's actually in this miracle bottle, according to the analysis?
Well, the investigation highlights this Botox complex. Sounds very scientific, right?
It does, doesn't it?
According to the source material, not really. The analysis suggests it's basically a marketing buzzword.
Okay, so what does the product do then, scientifically speaking? Well, here's the key thing for you to know. Real Botox is a medical treatment. It's injected by professionals, and it works by temporarily paralyzing muscles.
Right.
That smooths out the wrinkles caused by muscle movements.
Exactly. This serum, though, it's topical. The analysis suggests it performs, maybe like a basic moisturizer. There's reportedly no scientific evidence it can deliver anything like a real Botox effect.
So a moisturizer, not quite wrinkle reversal.
Not in the way Botox works, no. The mechanisms are just completely different.
Okay, so the science seems shaky, according to the source.
Yeah.
What about user experience? If 98% see results, the review should be amazing, right?
You'd think so, but the investigation points to Trustpilot, where actual customers leave feedback.
What's the score?
Reportedly, 1.2 out of 5.
Ouch, 1.2, that's really low.
It is, and reportedly 95% of those reviews are just 1 star.
Wow. So what are people complaining about? Just that it doesn't work?
That's a big part of it, yes. The source material mentions constant complaints describing it as ineffective, even junk. But it gets worse.
Now so?
There are apparently numerous reports found in the reviews about alleged hidden subscription traps. You think you're buying one bottle.
And suddenly you're getting charged every month.
Yeah.
And it's impossible to cancel.
That's what the complaints suggest, along with really difficult refund policies. So people feel trapped.
Okay, so the product reportedly doesn't work like claimed, and the buying experience sounds potentially predatory based on those reviews. What about how they sell it in the first place? The marketing.
Yeah, the investigation found some pretty significant red flags there, too, like the before and after photo.
The ones showing dramatic transformations?
Reportedly fabricated. Some seem to be pulled from stock image sites, maybe even AI-generated, according to the analysis.
No way, really?
That's what the source suggests. And on the company's own website, well, it might show lots of 5-star reviews.
Let me guess, you can't actually leave your own review there.
Apparently not, according to the investigation. Customers reportedly can't submit reviews directly on the site.
Huh. And what about those logos? I think I saw logos from big magazines, Elle, Glamour.
Yeah, the source material notes they use those logos, implying endorsements or features, but the investigation apparently found no evidence that any of those outlets have actually covered the product.
So, potentially fake photos, curated reviews, maybe misleading endorsements. It paints a picture. But here's maybe the most startling part I saw in the source material, where this stuff actually comes from.
Ah, yes. The origin story.
It's reported that this serum is basically a generic product.
Hmm.
You can find similar stuff on Chinese wholesale websites like Alibaba or Temu.
For how much?
Purportedly as little as $1 or $2 per bottle.
$1 or $2, and they're selling it for?
Nearly $50, often with a sort of fake 50% off discount to make it look like a deal.
So wait, they buy it for maybe $2, slap a fancy label on it, invent a complex name, and sell it for $50. That's what, a 2,500% markup?
Pretty much, yeah. On what the analysis suggests is just a basic moisturizer. That fake discount just adds to it.
Wow. Okay, so let's sum this up for everyone listening.
Yeah, what's the bottom line from this deep dive? Based purely on the investigation materials and the customer review data we looked at, the picture painted is this. The Olavita Botox Serum appears to be a generic product, bought cheap, marked up massively, and the dramatic anti-aging claims.
Highly disputed by the scientific analysis presented in the source and seemingly contradicted by widespread, very negative customer feedback reported online.
So a key takeaway for you if you're looking for real anti-aging results.
The strong suggestion from the source material is maybe skip the miracle online serums with flashy ads. Instead, consider talking to an actual licensed dermatologist. They can discuss options that have, real science and evidence behind them. Definitely seems like sound advice based on what we've covered. And just a final necessary reminder for everyone. Everything we discussed today is based solely on the specific source materials provided to us, the product investigation video, and the customer review analysis. This is for educational purposes. We're reporting on the claims and counterclaims found in that material, not endorsing any specific viewpoint or product ourselves, absolutely, just laying out what the sources reported.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.